Yay! Oh. Hello! Guess where we are? Africa. We're Animal Kingdom! Woo! Look at the pretty tree! So today's day one of our best trip ever. I'm so excited. And we're gonna go on Expedition Everest. And then leave. Maybe see Festival of the Lion King. But
maybe, because we have fast passes at Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, so
we'll take priority.
Sorry, I don't think they're beautiful.
I had hoped to do.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. Bye, Animal Kingdom. It's so big. It's so beautiful. Tower in all its glory, without all the scaffolding like in California Adventure. Yeah, this is definitely a mini Carthay Circle. Oh, how cute! My little piece of California. Look at all these big bushes. Beautiful. I hear there's a party tonight on the 13th floor.
Oh yes, it's Mariana.
Yeah.
I believe you're invited.
I hate you.
Express, or get hot dogs, or
You should leave this up to me.
get donuts.
what pizza planet?
So sad. R.I.P. Pizza Planet. Let's get these cups. Or what are these? Hold on, donuts.
I'm not kidding. I really want them.
Get it, girl. Get it. So cute. I seriously just want to be the person that designs window displays. That's all I want to do.
So cute.
Okay. It's so beautiful. Wait, I have to take a picture.